Hi everyone! Thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, we're going to talk about the battle of cars. That's right. Back in 2002, the BMW M5 came up with 400 horsepower. And Mercedes said, you know, we're gonna create our own performance car. And Mercedes came up with the E55 that produces 349 horsepower. And the Britain answer to the German is the Jaguar XJR that produces 370 horsepower. But out of all that, there was the mighty United States Camaro SS. I'm so glad we pulled Fast and Furious Gabe here today. Right, Gabe? How are you doing this morning?
Ready to go, ready to rev it up.
That's right. Back in 2002, Chevy produced Camaro SS that produces 355 horsepower. I mean, it has the hood scoop, and that was the last one for 2002. Then they came up again back in 2010. So with this one, this is 2011. This car now, the Camaro SS jumped from 335 horsepower to 426 horsepower. And this is the Beetle. We're not gonna race the Beetle today. And the housewife driver is hiding there. That's my wife's car with 2.0 liter turbo, 200 horsepower. But today, let's bring the attention to this one. Where the battle of the old car compared to the new generation muscle car. Which one is better? And the choice is yours. Hi everyone, let's take a look at the specification of the Camaro. Come on here, Brandon. The Camaro comes with the V8 LS3 engine, 6.0 liter turbo with 426 horsepower. And as you can see right here, this is how everything looks. And the Jaguar XJR, even though it's the old technology, it comes with a 4.0 liter V8 engine that is supercharged. Like this one, brother. So anyway, now you know, and I'll let you decide which car is best for you. This is from the 2002 and the new technology of the Chevy Camaro SS. So anyway, 370 horsepower and 425 horsepower. Thank you very much guys for watching. Love you guys.